Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing Look Fantastic. I'm so excited. We actually got the month's box in the actual month. What's today? Like the 18th. I got it yesterday, so that is not bad. I'm not complaining. Hopefully mail and stuff starts speeding up here quick because I'm tired of waiting all the time. You know what I mean? I'm sure you do. The mail's probably slow where you are. But if you don't know what Look Fantastic is, it is a beauty subscription box, mostly skincare. It is a little heavy on the skincare side, sorry. But I don't mind because I love skincare, so it's not that big of a deal for me. It is $21, I think I pay per month. But I have a year subscription. I signed up for the whole year, so that's why I only pay $21. I think it's a little bit more expensive if you pay monthly. But also, if you do sign up for the year, a nice bonus is that you don't have to pay the full year right out. It's fantastic. I love that they do that. Anyway, let's get into this box. I am so freaking excited. So excited. I love the peachy color this month. Let's see what the little quote is, and it says, "You are loved, you are worthy, you are magical." Oh, that is so sweet. All right, so when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It's got a beautiful little booklet, and then all wrapped up nicely. The booklet tells you about the products that you could have got or that you've gotten, and it also shows a spoiler for next month. Ooh, next month is going to be a Christoph? Is that how you say it? I'm so sorry. I'm like really bad for butchering names. It's a hair mask, and I believe I've tried this one. I'm gonna have to look because I bought one recently with my FabFitFun add-ons, and I really liked it. I like their scrub, the scalp scrub too, so I'm really excited about that. They also have right now a Valentine's collection, which I'm sure is already sold out because Valentine's is over, but they have a Mother's Day one coming. Look how beautiful that box is. Can you see that? So you can't tell. And yeah, I'm super excited. Ooh, it says it has Claudel Firming Cashmere Cream. Oh, that's a sneak peek. Right. It just tells you about the Caudalie, I think that's how you say it. I'm so sorry. I'm horrible for butchering names. So in the booklet, yeah, it tells you about all the products that you got or could have gotten. Ooh, look, what's in the box. This is telling us everything that's in this month's box already. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's get into it. Ooh, lots of cute goodies. I'm excited. Okay, let's pull out the spoiler from last month, which is the Illamasqua Beyondville Skin Glowing Gel? Veil? Gel? Okay, this is a primer. I believe it's a primer. Hold on. Oh yes, yeah, it is a primer. I've never tried this, but I have a few products from this brand and I like them, so I'm excited to try this primer out. Woo! Oh my goodness, it's like a gold color. Look at that. Ooh, it smells spa-like. There's like the tiniest little bit in here. Ooh, it feels nice. Ooh, I'm so pumped. I can't wait to try this. Okay, let's check out the next item. The next item we have is Magnatone London 2-pack wipe out wipes, eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. Ooh, removes makeup with just water. Oh my goodness, check that out. I'm so excited right now. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they feel so soft. They're my favorite colors, pink and gray. Put them together and I love pink and gray together. And they are so soft. It's just like what are those, like makeup pads, like the ones you can buy at the store. There's everywhere from these. Yeah, just like those makeup rounds, that's what I'm thinking of. Ooh, these feel so soft. Oh, I'm so excited. almost don't want to use them because they're so pretty, but we will. Yeah, so everybody got this, and everybody got the Illamasqua. That's what the book is telling me. Does the book tell me prices anymore? I don't think it does. It used to. No, it doesn't anymore. That's okay. That's all right. We can live without knowing the prices. I mean, they advertise, let's state that it's always more than what you pay for the box. So, and I'm assuming like with just these two items would cost probably about the $21.50. So I'm not too worried about what the items cost, honestly. All right, let's move on to the next item I see, which I'm excited about. It is the Illamasqua Papaya Enzyme Peel. I have gotten one of these before. I believe it was the big size, and I absolutely loved it, so I'm super excited to have another one because I ran out of that. This one was this or that. You could have gotten this or the SOS Mandrea Hydra Recharge Cream. I'm really pumped that I got Illamasqua. I love Illamasqua products. Absolutely love them. All right. What we got? Ooh, we got 3 more things still. Okay, we've got Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. Small sample size of that. Everybody, I believe, was getting this one. Yes. I've tried Balance Me before. I believe I got it in this box. It was an eye cream, and I quite enjoyed it. I might actually still have some of it left. I mean, I'm always trying new ones, so always have lots of like half full products. Oh, it's horrible. I don't know how we use up all our products. I really, really don't. Anyway, let's see. It's a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. Its blend of AHAs encourages the shedding of any or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful, and luminous glow beneath. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. That's awesome. I have blemish-prone skin, so I'm excited. I'm definitely excited to try that. Okay, what do we got here? Ooh, that sounds good. Was this or this or that? This is a bubble tea. We have gotten this brand before. Actually, I have the other one right here. Before we got the peach iced tea. Love it. It smells amazing. This one is the strawberry macaroon hand and body butter. Soothe and nourish with this uplifting hand and body butter. Was everybody getting this? Yes, everybody got it. So it's just a moisturizer with strawberry scent, it says. All right, let's smell it because I'm really curious. I love strawberry. Strawberry is one of my favorite scents. Oh, the sticky thing stuck to my hand. Oh my god. I take my ring off. That smells amazing. Oh. Ooh, it feels good too. That's amazing. It smells like, yeah, strawberries. But it smells like a candy, like a strawberry candy. That's what it's reminding me, a strawberry candy. Freaking awesome, love it. This was actually a decent size for this bottle. This one is the 50 mil. What was the other one? The 30 mil, so sweet. Super exciting. All right, last product in the box. But I'm actually really excited to try this. It is the Ico. Is that how you say it? Where is it? I believe it's Ico. Doesn't even say it in here. It's a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. It honestly doesn't even say the name. Like, it shows it on the brand, right? Or like the little E. And I'm pretty sure that's Ico. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Horrible. I'm gonna get this open, 2 seconds. Okay, I always have such a hard time getting plastic off these products. But this is really cute. So, oh, you could have got 2 colors, by the way. One was Zodiac Warm Rosy Copper, which I'm thinking this one is that. And the other one is Stardust, a shimmery, if I could speak, silver. All right. Oh, of course there's more packaging. There's plastic over it, and then now there's a seal. Goodness gracious. Okay, I got it. Whoa. Oh my goodness. What? I like took out a lot, not meaning to, but it's a really, really pretty color. So it definitely looks like a rosy copper, but it also looks like silver flecks, which are reflecting colors around. Look at that. It's so pretty. FYI, if you get this, you really, really only need a little bit. That's smeared out like real good. The color is gorgeous now that I'm taking it off. Oh my goodness. And it dried on my hand really nicely, by the way. Love it. Okay, that was the last product. I'm kind of sad. But yeah, that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.